Hi, this is Thomas Tan at Apantac, and today we're at InfoComm 2018. One of these products that we wanted to show, we're at InfoComm, Apantac is really concentrating on a lot of our KVM solutions. This particular one is a 4K KVM Multiviewer. So what you're seeing here, see, I'm actually switching to here. I'm moving here, and I move over here, and I'm now working on this one, right? And I could switch down here, and I could switch down here. And if I wanted to see something in full screen, I just double click. It will go to full screen. And then now I can look at something in 4K. So when I'm finished, I double click again, and it goes back. It's very simple. It's a fixed quad split. It has all the feature of a KVM and all the feature of a multiviewer in 4K. For more information, please look us up at www.apantac.com.